guys, this is Oksana. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video, I'm so excited about it because first of all, it's delicious, and second of all, it is like one of my favorite videos to film because I just get to do what I'm already doing and showing you guys the process of that. But I am gonna walk you guys through how I made a sourdough apple fritter bread. It is THM friendly. For those of you that follow the THM diet, it would be considered a carb. I am using a blog site called aroundthefamilytableblog.com. It is by an amazing woman named Glenda. I love her sourdough recipes. I always follow her stuff. So I am gonna go ahead and just walk you guys through what I did, show you the process, and pretty much that's that. But go ahead and gather your beginning ingredients. So I went ahead and combined my water, my sourdough starter, my yogurt, egg whites, vanilla, honey, vital wheat gluten, and whole wheat flour in a glass bowl. So I went ahead and mixed that, and then I allowed it to ferment for about 30 minutes. And then once I did that, I added salt and yeast. So it does call for instant yeast, but I just used what I had on hand and it didn't affect what the bread outcome was. So anyways, I went ahead and just mixed that together, and then I covered it with just a saran wrap, and I allowed it to ferment for about 6.5 hours. I honestly didn't really want to start baking this bread at 8 p.m. so I put my dough into the fridge and I let it just ferment overnight, and it did not affect the bread at all, even though it fermented for a lot longer than 6 hours. So if you do start this recipe later in the day, just put it in the fridge overnight so that you can bake it fresh the next morning. Once I took it out of the fridge, I let it just kind of sit room temperature for about 30 minutes, and I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and then go ahead and grate your apples. This is where I modified it. I did not create a separate bowl of cinnamon and brown sugar. I am using the Swerve brand, which is amazing. You can find this anywhere. And then I took my bread pan and I sprayed it with some spray, and then go ahead and add some baking soda to your dough and just mix it thoroughly as you see here, and then drop spoonfuls of dough into the bottom of the bread pan. So it doesn't have to be neat because you are layering this. So start with your dough and then add your apples and then your sweetener mix on top of that, and then layer it with another dough as you see here, and then finish with one last round of the apples and sprinkle on top with cinnamon to finish it off. And then you're gonna go ahead and bake it in the oven anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes. I ended up doing 45 minutes because my oven takes a little longer. Basically, you're just baking it until a knife or a toothpick comes out clean. So once everything was finished baking, I let it cool. All right, you ready to try some?
Yeah.
You gonna try some?
Yeah.
That's so yummy.
More.
You want more?
More.
Eat this.
More.
Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Thank you, Mommy. It's delicious. Oh, that's yours too? Very yummy. Do you want to save some for Daddy?
Yeah.
That's so sweet. It was so good. My son and I absolutely loved eating this bread. We pretty much ate half the loaf in like one sitting. It was so good. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you so much for watching this video, and happy baking. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, all of those things. All right, say bye. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.